All right. I literally just sat there for like 5 minutes. I'm like, I told Vicky, I'm like, put me on it to deter some thieves. Sure shit. Karen pulls up like 1 minute later. She comes running.
On September 29th, 2024, at approximately 11:10 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were at a Family Dollar store due to a high number of shoplifting calls from that location. While the officers were sitting in the lot, a woman ran from the store, trying to get away with stolen items. The officers gave chase, and the woman was placed under arrest.
Who is this? Why are you running? Why are you running? Who? Why? You got receipts for that? Okay, let me see, because they've been getting a lot of theft. Stop! 192, I got one running out of a 30 from the Family Dollar. Stop right now! Stop! Knock it off! Damn it! Stop! Get the fuck on the ground! Now! Stop! Fuck on the ground! Now! You want a taste? No. Fuck on the ground. 911 with me.
Sorry,
South of the L.
I didn't let her go.
South. Because you're the one running from us.
I'm sorry.
Because you're the one running from us.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not. Thanks. See? Got it. Nope. Shit.
Turning down.
So wet. I know.
Okay.
All right.
Can you help me out?
Yeah, we'll help you up in a second. Okay. Stand up.
I just had a turn down.
Nerds gummy clusters! What? Stealing nerds! Those are our favorites. Stand still so I can get your cuffs locked up.
Are y'all gonna take me to jail?
Yes! Yes, you made us run in the rain! That's shit! Too bad!
I got mercy.
Huh? Okay, anything else on you? Okay. Good timing. Get to go to the new jail? Spread your feet for me. Stay still. Stay still.
Hey, we asked you nicely not to run.
Yeah.
I don't want to. Yeah, I didn't want to chase you into the puddle either.
Yeah, gross.
Huh? Did y'all know who Crunchy was? I don't know who Crunchy was. I'm saying. He died when I was in there. Today? No, this is
You see if
a couple days ago.
she came running around the dumpster, holding all this shit. We were sitting right there.
Okay.
So, stay put. Stay put.
Some white girl.
Like, pregnant, homeless.
A couple that were heading east out of the parking lot when I was pulling in.
Yeah, I think that dude was walking up and called.
Okay, copy. I don't have no name.
I know, I just got checked, right? Yeah. 192, we do, thank you. Nothing shoved anywhere it shouldn't be, right? All right. Well, can we throw her in? Yeah. Seat.
I gotta be here wet.
Yeah, we're wet too. We're all milk. You're not made of sugar, right?
Do y'all have to
Okay.
take me? Can you
Yes.
give me a warrant?
No, I'm not giving you a warrant. You made us run in the rain. The fuck? I was like, grabbed her. I'm like trying to. I was like, get her, Karen. Damn. All right, let me go. No, I'm right here when I turned mine on. So then she started. I'm like, what the hell? Yeah. She got 2 minutes. She started. It is. All right. I literally just sat there for like 5 minutes. I'm like, I told Vicky, I'm like, put me on it to deter some thieves. Sure shit. Karen pulls up like 1 minute later. She comes running. Yeah, there was a female white. She, I think she had like a halter top on or something and looked rather homeless. So, not sure where she went. I don't know where did you see her at all, Ben, when you were, no.
Fatia Jones has a criminal history that includes 26 misdemeanor arrests, mostly for prostitution. She also has a felony case of aggravated robbery from 2017 that was pled down to attempted robbery. She served 15 months for that offense. For this case, though, the one where she ran out of a store in front of officers and tried to flee with stolen merchandise, this one was dismissed. By the way, this Family Dollar store at 2383 West Broad Street is now closed, most likely because of excessive amounts of shoplifting.